Chapter first, the Earth in the solar system. What are the celestial bodies? The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial body. Star. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in the large amount. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. Constellations. Various patterns formed by different group of stars. These are called constellations. Example: Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the Saptarishi. Sapta, seven Rishi said. It is the group of the seven stars that form a pattern of Ursa Major constellations. North Star. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. Planet. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. Example: the word planets comes from the Greek word plantia, which means wonders. Earth is the planet that get heats and the light from the sun. Sun is the nearest star to the earth. Moon is the natural satellite to the earth, companion to the earth. Interesting fact: Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus have rings around them. These are built of the small debris. These rings may be seen from the earth with the help of the powerful telescope. The solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies are known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. Often call it a solar family, with the sun as its head. Mercury is the first planet, and it takes time to around the sun 88 days, and on its axis 59 days. Second planet, that is the Venus. One orbital around the sun is 255 days, and on its axis 243 days. The third planet of the solar system is our planet, that is the Earth, and it takes the time to around the sun, and one orbit is 365 days, that is the 1 year, and on its own axis is 1 day, and the number of the moons, that is the 1. The fourth planet is Mars. One orbital around the sun, 687 days it takes time to complete this one orbit, and one spin on axis is 1 day. Number of moons is 2. The fifth planet of the solar system is Jupiter, and it takes time to complete the one orbit around the sun is 11 years, 11 months, about the 12 years, and to complete the one spin on its axis is 9 hours and 56 minutes. Number of the moons of the Jupiter is about the 5. The sixth planet is Saturn. One orbit around the sun 29 years 5 months. One spin on its axis is 10 hours 40 minutes, and the number of moons of the Saturn is about 53. The seventh planet of the solar system is Uranus. One orbit around the sun is 84 years, and one spin around the axis is 17 hours 14 minutes. Number of the moons about the 27. Eighth planet of the solar system is Neptune. Neptune completes the one orbit around the sun in 164 years, and complete the one spin on its axis is in 16 hours 7 minutes. Number of moons of the Neptune is 13. The inner planets very close to the sun, made up of the rocks. The outer planets very far from the sun, and the huge planets made up of the gases and the liquid. The sun is the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of the extremely hot gases. The sun provides the pulling force, and that pulling force binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of the heat and light for the solar system. Do you know the tremendous heat of the sun is not felt so much by us because despite being our nearest star, it is the far away from us. The sun is about the 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Do you know the soul in Roman mythology is the sun god? The solar means related to the sun, The family of the Sun is therefore called the solar system. The planets. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the Sun in fixed path. This fixed path is elongated and called orbits of the planets. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. The planet Venus is considered Earth's twin. Why? Because of its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Pluto, like other celestial objects, Ceres 2003 UB313, discovered in the recent past, may be called dwarf planets. This decision was taken in a meeting of International Astronomical Union. Till recently, August 2006, the Pluto was considered as a planet. Now it is considered as the dwarf planet. Do you know? Geography is English word made up by the two Greek words. Geo means earth and graphia means writing. The Earth. Earth is a planet. It is the third nearest planet to the Sun. The Earth is plated at the poles and its shape is like geode. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-third surface is covered by the water and it is therefore called a blue planet. Moon. Our Earth has only one satellite that is called the Moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth's diameter. Note: Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the Moon on 20 July 1969. What is a satellite? A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the Sun. What is the asteroids? Apart from the star, Sun and satellite, there are the numerous tiny bodies which also move around the Sun, and these bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the Earth and tends to drop upon it. During the process, due to the friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, fall on the Earth and create a hole. A galaxy. Galaxy is a huge system of billions of the stars and clouds of the dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to